Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe is for a basic onion tomato masala that forms the base for many of our Indian curries. Most gravied Indian dishes call for sauteed onions, tomatoes, and ginger garlic paste. The whole process requires some time, so preparing and freezing one when you have some spare time is a great idea for quick meals during the busy weekdays. You can freeze this masala for a month or refrigerate it for 15 days. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to heat about a cup of oil here. Then goes in some finely chopped onions. I have about 2 large onions here. Saute till they are brown at the edges. Then goes in some ginger garlic paste and green chillies. If you make your own ginger garlic paste at home, then add some lemon juice or oil to it and it will stay good in the fridge for up to 10 to 15 days. Give it a stir. Next, I'm going to add some spices here: turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. You may also add some cumin powder if you wish. Saute this for a few minutes till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. This looks good to me now, so at this stage I'm going to add some tomato puree. I have parboiled the tomatoes, removed their skin, and then pureed them. Mix everything well and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. So our all-purpose onion tomato gravy is ready here. Just add some salt and you're good to go. You may prepare a larger batch and store it in the fridge for a week's worth of curries and dals, or freeze it in a Ziploc bag for later use. And when you're ready to cook, just put the Ziploc bags in simmering water to thaw them. Use it as it is or add any extra ingredients as per your liking. You can use this masala to make so many dishes. Here are some suggestions. First up is a simple chana masala. For this, heat about a tablespoon of oil. Next, add in some whole spices: cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, and bay leaves. Saute for a few seconds and then add in our prepared masala. Give it a good stir. And then goes in some boiled garbanzo beans or chana. You can also use some canned beans if you have at hand. Mix it in and cover and bring it to a boil. Next, I'm going to add some frozen broccoli here. You can also add some frozen spinach or carrots if you have at hand. Also adding in some garam masala. Check the seasoning and add salt as needed. Give it all a good mix and cover and simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes or till the broccoli is cooked. And there you have it, our simple chana masala with broccoli is ready. Next up is aloo matar. For this, heat about a tablespoon of oil. Add in some cumin seeds and red chili flakes. Give it a stir and then add in our prepared masala. Saute for a minute and then add in the potatoes. I have parboiled the potatoes here. Next, adding in some frozen peas and carrots. Instead of peas and carrots, you can also add some bell peppers if you like. Cover and cook till the veggies are all nice and soft. Check the seasoning and add salt as needed. Mix it all well. And there you have it, our simple aloo masala is ready. Next up on our menu is a South Indian style okra curry. For this, again starting with oil, add mustard seeds and methi. Also going in some red chillies. Saute for a few seconds. When the mustard seeds start crackling, add in our onion tomato masala. Saute them for a minute. And then goes in our frozen okra. I'm using frozen, but you can always use fresh ones if you have at hand. You can substitute the okra with eggplants if you like in this recipe. Next, I'm going to add in some tamarind pulp, water and curry leaves. Cover and simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes. Check the seasoning, add salt as needed and mix it in. And there you have it, our okra curry is ready. Next up is paneer curry. For this, again starting with a tablespoon of oil. Then adding in some cumin seeds, green cardamom and bay leaf. Saute for a few seconds and then I'm going to add in our masala. Give it a good stir and then I'm going to add some cashew-nut paste here for some extra flavor. Give it all a good mix. Next, I'm going to add in our cubed paneer and some water. Paneer freezes well and can stay good in the freezer for up to a month. So if you have some paneer at hand, this recipe will come together in no time. Also adding in some kasuri methi. Crush them between your palm before adding. Mix it all in. Cover and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Check the seasoning and add salt as per your taste. Give it a mix and there you have it. Our paneer curry is ready. The last one on our menu is black beans curry. Again adding some oil and then some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Let the mustard seeds start popping and then add in the masala. Saute for a minute. Next we'll be adding our beans. You can also add some dry green peas or lima beans or black-eyed beans in this recipe. Also adding some coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk powder that I just diluted in some water. You can use fresh or canned coconut milk instead. Cover and simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes. Check the seasoning and add salt if needed. And there you have it, our black beans curry is ready. Hope you like these recipes. Refrigerate them in an airtight container and they should stay good for up to 5 to 6 days. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.